I was driving home late at night, feeling tired and a little nervous. My old pickup was the only sound in the dark woods. I opened a Pepsi, hoping it would help me relax, but my hands were shaking. The road was empty. No cars, no lights. "This is not normal," I said quietly. Even the radio only made soft static, like someone breathing. Then I saw a tall figure standing in the middle of the road. It did not move. It just stood there. My heart jumped. I hit the brakes and shouted, "Hey, are you okay?" No answer. Slowly the figure lifted one arm and pointed behind me. My stomach went cold. I looked in the mirrors, but saw only darkness. Then I heard it. Knock. A slow knock on the back window of my truck. My whole body froze. I looked forward again. The figure was gone. "Oh no, oh no," I whispered as I locked the doors. And then, wait for part 2.